Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Toyota's 1996 to 2002 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the brake line bracket bolt. Then, with a 16mm socket, remove the shock. Step 3. Cut all the welds off the buckets. Step 4. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent any further corrosion. Then, weld the part on fully. Step 5. Using a 16mm socket, reinstall the shock. Finally, paint the part with primer. Then you're done!